Good morning. Did you know that how you start your day determines how productive and successful you'll be? Today, let's talk about morning habits that can truly change your life. These simple practices can set you on a path to becoming the best version of yourself. Let's dive in. 1. Wake up. Early first, wake up early. The quiet hours of the morning are the perfect time to focus on yourself. It gives you a head start and helps you stay ahead of the day. Even waking up just 30 minutes earlier than usual can make a huge difference. 2. Practice gratitude. Start your day with gratitude. Take a moment to think about 3 things you're thankful for. It could be as simple as the fresh air you're breathing or the people you love. Gratitude shifts your mindset and sets a positive tone for the day. 3. Move your body. Move your body. Whether it's yoga, a quick workout, or even a short walk, physical activity boosts your energy and improves your mood. It's like a jump start for your brain and body. 4. Meditate for clarity. Meditation isn't just for monks. A few minutes of mindfulness or meditation can clear your mind and help you focus. Close your eyes, breathe deeply, and let go of any stress. It's the ultimate mental reset. 5. Feed your mind. Feed your mind with something inspiring or educational. Read a book, listen to a podcast, or write down your goals. The morning is the best time to absorb knowledge and set intentions for the day. 6. Eat a nutritious breakfast. Don't skip breakfast. Fuel your body with something healthy and nourishing. A good breakfast provides the energy you need to stay focused and productive throughout the day. 7. Plan your day. Finally, plan your day. Take a few minutes to write down your top priorities and tasks. A clear plan helps you stay organized and reduces stress. And these small but powerful habits can transform your mornings and ultimately your life. Remember, change doesn't happen overnight. Start with 1 or 2 habits and gradually build your routine. Your future self will thank you. So, are you ready to own your mornings and change your life? Start today.